In this video I will draw the Grim Reaper. How to draw Grim Reaper? Let's draw together. Start by drawing the eyes. Start by making a curved line that looks like an egg. After that, draw the skull. Draw the teeth of the skull. Grim Reaper wears a hood on his head. Draw the inner hood with curved lines. After that, add the outline. Start from the bottom up. Continue the curved lines to form a hood. After that, draw the lower hood. Now let's draw the body parts. Draw the sleeves of the robe. After that, draw the arms. Now draw the fingers of the skull's hand. After that, draw the fingers of the other hand. Draw the staff held by the Grim Reaper. After that, draw a sickle on the end of the stick. Draw the sleeves of the robe with 2 lines. Now draw the bottom of the cape. Color the eyes black. The Grim Reaper picture is ready. Color it to make it look scary. Thank you, and see you in the next video.